Hello everybody, this is Dave at Marathon Coach. Just going to show our footrest feature here underneath the co-pilot seat. We've got a button over here on the side of the seat. You push and it comes out. Because nobody's feet or legs are long enough to reach down to the air slide that we have. So there's that. It's a fairly new feature for Marathon Coach. I'm also going to show you the air slide feature. Some people with pets like to have this feature on their coach. So this is just a cover that comes out and covers up the entry steps. Fairly heavy duty drawer guides on it. But there's that. The step slide, the air slide can be operated from here at the co-pilot seat or at the driver's seat. And so just simple operation, convenience for people. And there you have it. We just showed you in a new coach the step slide and the footrest that comes out underneath the seat. This is a little bit older version of that, where we're using the leg rest on the end on the co-pilot seat with a flip down feature to use to rest your feet on. And then with this version you can still move it in or out as needed. Very simple feature, and then it just flips back up and latches in place. Put that away. Okay, so I just put that away. That's the footrest feature of our co-pilot seat in the older coaches, along with the new footrest.